Hey guys, so I just got a new Chanel bag and it is beautiful. I wanted to show it to you guys. As you can see, I already did the unboxing because I couldn't wait. So I opened it, but let me just show you. Paper. So I literally got this on 2 days ago, which was March 31st. So, and I was supposed to get this during pre-sale season. Oh, can you see it? Yeah. I was supposed to get this during pre-sale season, meaning like around March 2nd. But of course with COVID, there was a delay in the shipment and I had to wait for a month to get it, and now it's finally here. I'm really glad I waited though. It's, as you can see, it's beautiful. Oh, can you see? Maybe it's better if I put it down. But it is very small because when I first saw this, it was from their fashion show, and in the pictures it looked pretty big, but I guess pictures can be deceiving. And I normally carry small bags. I guess I'm in the small bag phase, and coming from me, if I say this bag is pretty small, then that says a lot. But I'm 5'3", so I think it's proportionate to my body. The color I picked was beige, although it looks more like creamy white, if anything. So I'm actually glad I picked this color because I feel like this is between the white and beige, and that's like the perfect color combination. And yeah, honestly, I had to put my name down from November, which is insane. I was talking to the salesperson and she was like, oh, like, she was just being really nice, and because there was a bag that I wanted in November, and then of course it's sold out everywhere. I went to every different boutiques and there's waiting lists, blah blah blah, and she was like, oh, is there anything else you're looking for? And I told her, like, I recently saw the fashion show and I saw this bag. I thought it was really cute, and she's like, oh, like, if you want I can put your name down for it. And it turns out she wasn't a sales associate, but I think she was a director of some sort. So she's like, oh, I can put your name down. And it was very sweet of her to do it, because apparently this bag is not even gonna hit the floor because it's so high in demand and a lot of people are waiting for it. So it comes with a strap like this. Sorry, I've never did unboxing before, so. And inside looks like that. Yeah, it's very simple, but I think this is something that is timeless and you can wear all season around, so I'm really happy with my purchase. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's very small. Like, I have tiny hand. Oh, you can't see my hand. I have really small hand, and look, it's so tiny, but it's super cute. I can't wait to wear it once the lockdown is removed and we're allowed to go to restaurants in summer. But yeah, for now, I'll just admire it. I'll just admire it at home. And oh, apparently they're gonna do another, I don't know what this bag is called, but they're gonna do another same product as this one for next season. But she said it's gonna be the director said it's gonna be different material. She said this one's better because the new one they're coming up with is different material, and she said this one is more resistant. To be honest, I don't know too much about like materials or names, but that's what she said. So it's super cute. I'm actually glad I didn't get the white, because I feel like if I had white, I wouldn't know how to like take care of it and such. But yeah, this is definitely a timeless piece that I think it's going to last for a long time, and just so beautiful. I think that here is better light. Okay, let me just take it out. There we go. So yeah, it's beautiful. I think the price wise, it was around $6,200 after tax, but it's beautiful. But anyways, that's the end of my unboxing My first unboxing. Unboxing is so hard. I don't know like how people just constantly talks and explain in details. I can't do that. That's not my thing. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.